Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20b, question number 16. The shaded region of the given diagram represent the lawn in the front of the house. This is the lawn. Now on the three sides of the lawn, there are flower beds having a uniform width of 2 meter. This is your flower bed whose width is 2 meter. Fine. Now what is given? This total length is given and the breadth is given. Find the length and breadth of the lawn. So we have to find this length and this breadth. Fine. So we know that what will be the length of the first one we are doing? The length of the lawn. The length of the lawn, let's take 30 meter as the length. Right? Fine. Generally they take the longer one as the length. You can take even 12 but mention there. So it will be 30 and the 2 meters from this side and 2 meters from the other side will be subtracted to get the length of the lawn. 30 minus 2 minus 2, that is 26 meter. And what will be the breadth of the lawn? Breadth of the lawn will be, what is the breadth of the total area? This much. It is 12. So from 12 we will subtract only 2 one time, because the flower bed is not at the bottom, it is only in the left, right and top. So top one we will subtract from this 12. So this will become your 10 meter. Done. Now the second question. Find the area of the flower bed. What will be the area of the flower bed? Area of the flower bed. This much. On the top the flower bed is, on the left it is, on the right it is, not at the bottom. So from the outer rectangle, the bigger rectangle, that is 12 meter and 30 meter, if I subtract the area of the lawn, will I get the area of the flower bed? So what I will do, area of the flower bed is area of the outer, you can call it outer rectangle. Fine. You can name it outer rectangle minus area of the lawn will give you area of the flower bed. Right? So first we will find area of the outer lawn. What will be the area of the outer lawn? What is the measurement? It is 30 and 12, length into breadth. 30, this is outer area, this is the outer rectangle, this bigger one. Fine. So 30 into 12, that is 360 meters square. And what is area of the lawn? We found the measurement of the lawn, the length and breadth of the lawn, that is 26 and 10. So what it will be? 26 into 10, that is 260 meters square. Everything is in meters, so meter square. Therefore area of the flower bed will be outer area, that is 360 minus 260. Yes, that is 100 meter square is the area of the flower beds, because there are more than one bed. Fine.